What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today's song is on Bury a Friend and it's on the guitar, so let's get started. This is the structure for this song. To get you playing this song quicker, I want to note that the refrain, chorus, and bridge are the same. The intro, verse 1 and verse 2 are the same, just different in length, and the post-chorus is kind of on its own. So I'll be teaching this song in 3 parts. Starting off with the chords I'm going to be using are G minor, and then a C minor, and a D7, which you also can play like this. So either way you want to play it. Alright, so there are 2 strum patterns that you can use for this entire song. The first one is down up, and the other one is just a down strum. And I'm doing these while palm muting. So I'm resting the palm of my hand on the base of the strings and I'm playing the top 4 strings for each chord. And it gives it that sound right there, instead of having it open like this. So the intro is the foundation of the verses, and it's 2 lines of G minor. For each line of G minor, it's going to be an 8 count. So what you're doing is, if you're doing the down strums, it's going to be 8 down strums. If you're doing the down up strums, just kind of count 8. So right now I'll be doing the example of the intro and also counting it out as we are strumming it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that was 2 lines of the intro. Now the verse 1 is going to be 4 lines of that, and then verse 2 is going to be double that, so it's going to be 8 lines of that. Alright, so now for the refrain, chorus, and bridge, we're going to be using all 3 chords, G minor to the C minor, and D7, and then back to G minor. So we're going to be using all those 4 chords, and unlike the intro or the verse where it's 8 counts of G minor, this one is going to be 4 counts for each chord. So I'll do the example as well as counting it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's for the refrain, chorus, and bridge. They're all played the same way. So I'm going to have the refrain on the screen with the lyrics so that you guys can play and sing with it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So lastly is the post-chorus. It's just like verse 1. You're going to be playing 4 lines of G minor, but the first 2 lines are just going to be 1 down strum of 8 counts. So you hear the bass come in, and that's where the post-chorus comes. So here's an example of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you guys got everything from the chords and the strumming to play this song. I'm going to have in the comments or the description the structure, the lyrics, and the chords on there so you guys can play it with the actual song. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.